Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. We are November 10th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla bounced back a little bit today. So we closed up $44.45. That's good for 4.34%. We closed at 1067.95. Post market, we are down $1.20 at 1066.75. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. As you all are aware, yesterday we had this big red candle and we closed a little bit above 1027.25. And today we opened a little bit lower. We opened, what is it, at 1010.41, and yesterday, approximate, a little bit lower than a little bit lower than the low of yesterday. And a look at this. We went as low as 987. 987, and there's a green line here. What does this green line is about? So this is the support or resistance. This is the resistance of the second channel. Resistance of the second channel. It has been used September 1st, 2020. It has been used here December 2020. Has been used a lot of time, and now it is used again. Look at this. It's perfectly right smack on it. I'm always amazed at this. So we have a nice, decent green candle here, and we have it top at 1079.82. 1079.82. Yeah. So it's starting to look like we are getting into a congestion zone between 1027.25 and 1079.82. Basically, this is where I see things. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. So 1 hour charts, this is where this was the low of the day. So decent volume, decent buying volume. And then 1079.82 was a resistance. Then we came back down to 1027.25. So on the 1 hour chart, it's very clear that we are in a congestion zone right here. So nice green candle during the first hour. Then we went as high as 1079.92. Then boom, 4 hours of going down to almost 1027.25. And then all of a sudden, boom, we came back up. We came back up and almost retested our 1079.82. Okay. So Tesla is not falling down anymore so far. We have rebounded. Will it last? That's the big question. In terms of the indicators on the 1 hour chart, everything is still pretty low. Stochastic at 38. MACD crossed over bullish. So MACD crossed over bullish on the 1 hour chart. This is interesting. We have this resistance right here on the 1 hour chart. So this resistance was drawn, I think, before the big drop. So 2 days ago, I think, or yesterday. We need to get outside of that. We need to break out of that to start thinking about the stock recovering. But we are quite close to it, so it's not impossible that it can happen soon. Let's go back to the daily chart. So let's look at our indicators here. So stochastic at 59.90, so pretty good. As I always say, stochastic over 60 is really nice. So we are very close to that. So I think I'm going to change, I'm going to change the meaning of this green thumb up. And the meaning of this green thumb up was when stochastic was over 50, but now I'm going to only use it when stochastic is over 60. So let me just do this for now, just to be clear. RSI, so RSI, we had this decreasing strength in RSI. That was true in this case because the stock dropped like crazy. In terms of strength, we are back to the 50 line, just a little bit above the 50 line. MACD crossed over bearish. So I need to change this one here. So one thumb is for the crossover and one thumb is for whether or not the two lines are above zero. And the MI is still bullish for now. In the retrospect, I find it very interesting that we are bouncing on this third channel support or second channel resistance. Did Elon sell everything? I don't know. Post-market, we are still going down a little bit, but we could go down as low as 990 from a technical perspective on the daily chart to still be inside the third channel. So depending on your time horizon, then you need to take that into consideration. I think we are going to have to wait a little bit to see what is happening. Are we stabilizing right where we are here above the third channel support? That would be nice. It's not impossible that we go towards this support right here. It's not impossible that we just go sideways a little bit and maybe bounce on that support and go back towards the all-time high. So that would be the best case scenario. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.